Hi, Dama. Oh, you in the baby jail? Said, yeah, that's the little gate. And he got stuck in upstairs by himself. Oh, poor boy. Said, let me out, let me out. Oh, oh, looks so horrible, boy. I'm sorry. But you got cutie outfit? See the panda bear? It's a screaming panda bear. Huh, Toma? Your mama come in? Hey. Toma! Are you mad? Huh? What do you see? Hi. Yeah. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh. Okay, mommy coming in, okay? Move, move. Move, move. It's the gate open. Do, 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 do. Yes, yes. Do, do. Say bye-bye. No, 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 no. You gotta close it. What? Mommy's here? Mommy's here? Poor boy, you're sleepy. Oh, look at this cutie boy. Oh, you night-night. Okay, let's go night-night. Say goodnight, people. Bye-bye.